morning. Welcome to the Cool Surf Guide channel. As you guys can all see, I am not on my way or in my car. In my car to the beach.
Two-door train for San Francisco Daly City in 12 minutes.
I'm at the BART station. Big surprise for today. Oh man, I can't wait. I've been talking about this. I've been talking about doing this for years, probably since 2015 and stuff like that. And the opportunity has finally arrived. I don't know what to say. Big moves this year. Anyways, I'm on my way. I'm taking the BART station. There's a reason behind it. You guys will see soon in the vlog. And then surfing will maybe be soon to follow this week. This week might be a climbing vlog. Surf is kind of small this week. Looks like the swell won't hit until next Monday. So yeah. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Do hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys again soon. Leaving the BART station right now. It's kind of funny. I haven't taken a bus in like 25 years. I obviously did not know what the heck I was doing. I didn't even know how to put the biking down and stuff. That's pretty hilarious. Anyways, I'm on my way. Oh man. Okay, for those who are ready to see what the grand reveal is, right? If you notice, I'm in like a weird warehouse district and stuff like that. But this is what's going on. Boom! I finally got it. Finally picked one up. I've been shot for all like crazy and stuff like that. And this bad boy came up on the market. And she's all mine. I'm getting ready to go on the road. I love surfing, I love climbing. Yeah, what more is there, right? So yeah. Oh, I'm so stoked right now. This is gonna be insane. Ooh, that was a drive. Finally got the bad boy home. All right. Oh my god, look at this bad boy. I got such a good deal on it. It's insane. 2005 Dodge Sprinter, 158 wheelbase. It's nice and wide. And then, you guys won't believe this, but it only has like less than about 112,000 miles on it for 2005. So, I'm stoked. The channel is gonna take a slight detour. Not as much surfing. Most of my days off I'm gonna be spending pretty much doing the build on this van and stuff. One thing too though is Lindemar is windy mar during this time of year, so it gets super windy, so the surf isn't really all that great anyways. So the time off from surfing, unless I go down to Santa Cruz, will definitely be used to put into this guy and get her built out and ready for me to hit the road. Hopefully I will hit the road by this summer. I don't know yet. We'll see. It's definitely going to be a project, something I want to do for a long time. Good morning. Welcome to the Cool Surf Guide channel. This is going to be nice and quick. I am on my way to the elusive Ocean Beach. Everywhere else is like super duper small or flat right now. And Ocean Beach actually has some manageable waves today. Hopefully I didn't miss the window. But I'm kind of on the fence a little bit because it's been a while since I've been to OB. The last time I went out there, I buckled my board right in half. One of my favorite boards too. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna be fun though. Other than that, the van is chilling at the house and the build will start soon. I already got some ideas and plans about what I want to do. First things first is going to be taking out the flooring, patching up all the drill holes they put inside of it, and painting over any spots that could potentially turn to rust. Anyways, today's gonna be fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. F my feet. I hate wearing booties, but these rocks are treacherous. Oh. Pacheco. Ooh, check out those waves. Okay, so my buddy Wes is supposed to be out here today. He said he was gonna be here, but I don't know where he's at. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll bump into him in the water. If not, it's cool. Oh snaps. You can see where she's at. She's in knee-high water. That's crazy. Reform, baby, reform. Oh, woo. It took too long, I can't get a good read. It's kind of like hitting there, hitting here, back and forth. It might be one of those things. But the waves are looking really good though. Hope to catch one. I'm hopeful. Let's get the white water quick off. Oh! Oh, okay, over there. That, my friends, is why I don't surf Ocean Beach that much. When we say, oh, surfing Ocean Beach, and we're putting in the work, we put in the work. So it's about 15, 25 minutes to paddle out. I swam around for like 2 hours waiting for a perfect position, never caught a single wave. The conditions just kind of crapped out today. So yeah. Let's see what's in store for tomorrow. What a day. Okay, so originally, like I said, I was putting in work. Originally I paddled out over there, and then like I dragged out a 1/4 mile out that way, and the tide switched up or something. Like I dragged all the way through here to that street light over there, to right about there, and I had to walk back. That's Ocean Beach, but yeah. Super low. One ball watch go down. Dude, I'm surprised that guy actually paddled off over there and shit, man. Paddled down? Yeah, he paddled out over there. He went over to sharks.
Jen was telling me that dude was the dude that guy with the board? Yeah. I believe it. Same dude. I mean, that's what Jen thinks. Yeah, that same guy.
Not bad, Billy. Oh. Oh, so sad. This might be the last surf for the next couple months because the tune of the channel is going to change to the van build, so I might not be able to surf as much, or if I do surf I don't have the time to do the video editing and stuff. So
Ooh. Well, thank you all so much for tuning into the channel. This week's vlog was a little short. Not too many waves and stuff, but it happens to the best of us. Thank you for all the love and support. If you like the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment. Helps me out a lot with the channel. And then ring the bell for notifications. And that's I had to keep my eye on the thing. So, till then, catch you guys again soon. Take care. Bye.